another inspiration.
You are sitting there kasi.
Good afternoon, guys. We're just done doing the workshop with Ikea interior designer Jerry. So for now we're just going around the place. Actually, aside from the workshop, I'm also planning to buy something for our new home. So I'll bring it with me. Careful.
Okay, you want me to move?
Yes.
When should I start? Okay, so as today we are talking about how to refresh a bedroom. So from beginning I want to share with you guys how do we plan a room. So normally how do we start with is we do a mood board first. Why do we need to do a mood board?
Yes.
When we are going to choose the furniture or when we are going to choose the textiles, if we don't have a mood in our mind, then we might make some mistakes. We just buy the random things which we just found and looks very nice and we bring it here, but in the end it doesn't work.
Yeah. It's like an inspiration, like Pinterest, like
Exactly.
something. Yes.
Perfect. Exactly.
Yes.
So this is an example as an interior design what we do in IKEA. So first we create a mood board. We set up the atmosphere that we are looking for. Then based on this, we make the furniture selection, including the color selection.
Yes.
So now, from those two pictures, with the mood board and the furniture, it's still far from each other, is it? The mood board looks much more nicer than the furniture selections.
Yes.
Because accessories are not doing it.
Yes, I understand.
So now, next step, what we are going to do is textile and accessories selections. Based on the mood, we create these selections of the accessories. Now, these two together. Do you guys find some similarity of it?
Yes, it actually the color. The color. Yes,
and the pattern.
Yes,
the material.
Yes.
You do start see it.
Yes.
Not just
it's
this
coming.
plain part.
Yeah.
So, what's the reality of this plan? Is this room?
Yes. Oh yeah, actually. Yes.
Heavy?
Yeah, which is more homey. Yeah.
Yes.
And cozy because of the.
So we used all the
pictures.
things that we have planned, we have selected. In the end, we create this room.
Yes,
So
it is.
to set up your room or to set up your mood, it's very important.
Yes.
Before you start furnishing your apartment. If you don't have that, it's like you don't have any directions.
Yes.
You don't know where to go. You just pick very random things, whatever attracts you.
Yes.
In the end, it could cost the things doesn't go with each other.
Yes,
they
I
don't
understand.
match with it.
Yes. Thank you,
Thank you
Jerry.
very much.
Thank you for your time.